Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the jasmine plant. Jasmine is a fragrant flowering plant known for its sweet smell. If you only have one plant of jasmine in your garden, you'll get many blooms every year. Not only that, this plant can be easily propagated from stem and seeds. Just a few days ago, we uploaded a video on how you have to propagate this plant from stem cutting. It's only been 7 to 10 days since we uploaded that video, so there's no new update. In today's video, I'll be answering some frequently asked questions of this plant. I'll be also telling you some tips and tricks on how you can get more blooms on this plant. One of the frequently asked questions is that what are the uses of jasmine? Jasmine is used in various ways, such as it's used in making perfumes, oils, herbal teas, medicines, and it's also used for worship. If you wish, we will soon upload a video on how you can make perfume or oil from this jasmine flower. If you want a video about this, make sure to let us know in the comment section below. Do you know its fragrance is also used for medicinal benefits? Yes, it is used for reducing stress, improving sleep, as well as boosting your mood. And do you know jasmine flower paste can be used for skincare? Another frequently asked question is that when does jasmine bloom? It normally blooms the whole year, but during summer it blooms the most. Also, another asked question is that how do we take care of this jasmine plant? So here's some tips and tricks to take care of your plant. First is that make sure that this plant has enough amount of sunlight, like at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. This is because jasmine loves sunlight. But in extreme hot weather, make sure that you put it in a shade. Otherwise, it will burn the leaves, the flowers, or the buds of this plant. Next tip is that water it only when the soil is dry. Make sure to keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Also make sure that you dig the soil of this plant time to time. This loosens up the soil and removes all the weeds. Not only that, but when you dig the soil of your plant before giving any kind of fertilizer, it helps your plant absorb the fertilizer better. The plant that you're seeing right now is actually planted last year by seeds. I don't know if this plant will flower this year or not, but the plant health is pretty nice. And we are also constantly pinching and pruning this plant. Now let me tell you about fertilizer. Actually, a slow releasing phosphorus-rich fertilizer is the best for this plant. Actually, we prefer organic fertilizers and manures over chemical fertilizers as they harm the plant, the environment and the soil. So let me tell you a really good fertilizer for your plants. And it is also cost free to make and very easy. First, take a few banana peels and cut them in pieces. After that, add some eggshells to the jar. Then add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme. Then add some water. After that, make sure that this solution is stored in a shaded area. After 5 to 7 days of storing it, you can use it. But make sure that before using you stir it well and dilute it. This fertilizer is filled with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, etc. And this will strengthen the roots and help in getting more blooms. Like this, we have also uploaded many other tutorials on how you can make many other fertilizers. So you can check out our playlist. Also make sure that you have bioenzyme, because bioenzyme is a magical liquid. It acts as a plant booster, insecticides, fertilizer, etc. And it is used in many of our other manures as well. Actually, bioenzyme contains lots of good bacteria, which helps to make the soil fertile and also boosts the plant. And don't worry, it is completely cost free. And you don't also have to make lots of bioenzyme. Only 1 liter of bioenzyme is enough for 1 to 2 years and it lasts till lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Go check how to make bioenzyme and make it right now. As in Delhi, there is very little rain. My mom sometimes showers this plant with bioenzyme or neem oil. You can also shower with water if you like. But showering your plant with neem oil or bioenzyme helps to prevent insect attacks. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.